Happy Saturday. Let's get into it. We're starting with NVDA for today. On the monthly chart, you guys, we've been talking about this bull flag for 4 months. We finally have the beginnings of a break. We're above this support level on the monthly, which is huge. This support level has held us back each month, moving sideways until now. So we've got a beautiful break above support and we are holding that bull flag break. Let's see what next week brings us, if we can get some continuation. Looking at the weekly, we are right at the end of this squeeze. We don't have a lot of room left right here. So heading into next week, this trend line to break is that 125.26 area, still sitting about that 125. 125 is a pretty strong level already, so just be mindful we could get a pushback there if we test. And then as the lower trend line sits about 114. Moving over to our daily chart, there's a few things to kind of peek at over here. We've got this lower trend line right here that we have tapped a couple times at 110, but that's not the one that we're going to be watching at the forefront, right? We're going to be looking to see what could we possibly see next week. So next week, this daily trend line sits about that 126.50 area. So we're going to be mindful of a possible rejection there as well. This squeeze has gotten so much tighter. This week, we kind of just moved more up, but also sideways. We took a couple drops. So we're really just getting tighter and tighter in this squeeze. This range right here is chop. So until we clear that 130 area, we could continue to see chop moving into next week as well. So levels to be mindful of is going to be that 126.50, 128, and 130. And then if we can clear 130, we've got room to kind of head on up for another move. If we pull back, looking left, you can see right where we are through here right now. This is another chop area, and we've got another one down here. So this is a tricky area to get through. We've got a lot of areas with some tight candles, really sideways movement. So we definitely need a push one way or the other. But like I said, the squeeze is getting a lot tighter. We are holding a beautiful bull flag, so we could see a push higher. And let's see if we can make some new all-time highs in the next couple of months.